All right, we're going to show you how to install the 2015 to 2017 Mustang headlight reflector. Pull the overlay off. We're going to position it right here at the back corner. I'm going to keep it from really tacking down to the car, so I'm not using a ton of pressure anytime I'm touching the car yet. I'll come back and do that soon. So I'm going to use this bottom line curve and this corner to line this decal up. Okay, now that we've got that lined up, I'm just gonna follow around here, make sure everything's fine. It is. I'm gonna lift this bottom kind of back off. I haven't used any pressure yet on this decal. And the reason is I'm gonna have to pull just a little bit to get it to conform to that curve. So I pulled right here this direction. I pulled right here down towards me. Not hard, I'm not stretching the vinyl at all. I'm just pulling out any little tension that may exist. You don't need a glove to do this. It just helps me slide my hand. You can use a microfiber cloth, but really the work's gonna be done with the squeegee. Just gonna squeegee the vinyl down. Now we are applying plenty of pressure and actually adhering the vinyl to the car. So you can see this decal actually went all the way over this top ridge and folded about 1/8 of an inch back so that it has a very seamless look. It's also going to fold down here over this part. So you don't want to apply it to where you see the edge. You want the edge to fold around. This is where it will introduce heat. A hairdryer will be okay, but you really want to use something hotter than that because these are the edges that you're going to want to tuck down. I'm outside, so I'm using a torch, but just a regular heat gun is perfect for this. The film really takes a lot of heat, so you can be careful, but you won't burn the film. And if you're wanting to test that, just pull off the extra film from the kit that's around the overlay and start heating it up and see how it responds to heat. Last thing you want to do is post-heat the vinyl. That's bring it up to about 200 degrees like I just did around the edges. That locks everything down. But now we have completed this install in a little less or a little over 2 minutes. So it's that easy to install this overlay on this Mustang.